Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix a very simple error when you have created a tunnel through Cloudflare and when you are running Docker. So here you can see almost all of the steps have been completed. I have created a tunnel. Uh, I have also added the domain and added the right local host, which is the default for Docker. And if I'm trying to visit this link or run it, it's giving me an error which says bad gateway. Check browser, Cloudflare is working, just the host is not working. So in order to fix this, it's a very simple solution. And sometimes when we are doing it for the first time, it is the possibility of missing this setting is very high. So in order to fix this, the only thing we need to do is go to Docker, find your actual container, and make sure the container is running. Because a lot of time, if our system stops or we have shut down our computer, the container might have been stopped, which is why you are getting this error. So now, as I have started running the container again, I'm just going to reload this hard refresh, and you can see the n8n tunnel is again running. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have any questions, feel free to add in comments. Thanks.